Hey everyone, I'm Sumit. I'm a professional photographer. I do conduct photography events, workshops as the mentor and presenter at SPW Expedition. I'm more than passionate about photography and never miss a chance to talk to new people because it helps me gain new perspective to life, amongst other things. That's why I'm hosting photography workshops and events for people interesting to come and meet each other in an informal settings and also develop their photography skills with all the knowledge I would share during the workshop. We'll spend some good time with our digital camera, explore the device settings, do some trial and errors while having real conversation face to face. I will make sure after the event you will feel more confident than ever before with your camera device, where we will have dedicated time for our work review, feedback, and the most important, keynotes after discussion. So, join me in our next scheduled event for new experience and making memories. See ya!